lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So as you can see on my table, there's 6 different challenges here, mini saving challenges here that I will play today. So before we start, please let me take this opportunity to thank all of you who supporting my channel, and even though I don't do it much as like before, we're still there to support me and watch me, and thank you so much. And for today's video, I will going to do a mini saving challenges, a minimum of 1 and 2 until up to $5, and let's see if I can ring the bell today. So for mini saving challenges, I will save $50 and I'll keep it on this envelope. And for now, let me use a prop money that I made for myself. So this mini saving challenges, whatever I completed in here, I will reallocate it on my month ahead binder as well, because I want to complete my 1 month ahead groceries, foods, and remittance for my parents. So that's why all the mini saving challenges that I will completed today will be allocated there. If you haven't watched my reallocation of my the reallocation that I made before this video, please click my channel and you will see it, how I do my reallocation. So let's start. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is from Cathy of Cross Budgets, Simply Living Saves, Madeline Budgets, from Rocks of Rocks Budget, Glow Budgets, and this one is from me. You can find this saving challenge with, together with two more in a set if you go to my copper shop. Okay, let's start. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's save here $5 every time I roll the dice. 2, 5, 5 again. 6, 3, 6. Hold on. 5. I think it's finished. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, not yet. Again. 5 again. Wow. So 4. Yeah. First time 4. Come on. 1, 2. So last one is 2. So for Cathy's challenge, I have doesn't get any love today. So let's count. So for this one, how many? So we'll save her $10. Let's cross 1, 2 flower and $10. So let's exchange it into real money here. I have real money here. $10. And this one, keep it aside. So far I saved here $15. And for Madeline, I saved here $5. So let's cross it out. Cross 4 and 1. And let's change also the prop money. This total of 10 into real money. Next one is from Rocks Budgets. I have here $20 so far. And now we save $5. Oh, we didn't finish it yet. I thought I'm gonna finish one saving challenge today, but didn't. So 5. So now we got $25. And for this one from Glow Budget, I don't know if Glow is still active, but I tried to check her channel, but I didn't see it. So I have here $20. Okay. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 12 is 20. This is 12 plus 3, 6, 9, 12. So 24, right? I have here 20. So let's correct again. 3, 3, 12, 12. So this one is wrong. I'll take out 4. Okay. Means not yet. Okay. This is I recycled this envelope and let's see later if I can buy a new one. And by the way, you see my mat? This is a butterfly table mat. This is from Mel of Momshi Queen. Thank you very much, Mel. This is her birthday gift to me. She knows that I don't have a mat yet, and she knows that I love butterflies. So I'm trying to buy this one online, but I don't have time to do it because no one will pick the item out. I feel so loved by you, Mel. Thank you so much. By the way, Mel is from Momshi Queen. She's also have her YouTube channel. You can check her out. She have a lot of previous on her copper shop as well. So thank you, Mel. And thank you for all the happy mail that you sent me. Thank you. So for the last challenge, I save here $10. So one icon here is 5. So now I got $15. Okay. So far, I want to change this $50, but I don't have time. So let's keep it here first. So thank you very much, Lovelies, for being here. And thank you so much for your patience and your kindness and your love. I really appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, Lovelies. And bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Thank you so much. Bye. Salanghe. Bye. Mahal ko kayo. Bye.